Unbelievable. Future of Welsh farming, and British farming, and Scottish farming, and Irish farming. It's all here in front of your eyes. This is what we need to protect. This is what we need to safeguard. This is what we need to make sure that government is listening. Government is listening to these families that have come all the way from far and wide with their children to make a statement to government. Mr. Starmer, Rachel Reeves, please listen to the farming community. We need you to listen to safeguard their future.